Welcome to another video walk around. Today we're going to be looking at the new Toyota CHR Limited. This is a 5-passenger crossover in Blizzard Pearl, and under the hood you'll find a 2-liter 4-cylinder driving on 18-inch wheels. Some of the great exterior features on the CHR includes fog lights. You do also have fold-away side mirrors with turn signals on them. You get a proximity smart key system and a backup camera. Helping us inside is our key fob here. It has our lock and unlock button. Like I mentioned, this CHR does have a smart key system, so we can press these 2 lines to lock the vehicle. And to unlock it's as easy as putting a hand inside the door handle. Now if we take a quick look in the side mirror, you can see we have a blind spot monitoring system there. In the door you have your power windows, locks, and mirrors. Now this CHR comes equipped with black leather seating. Some of the features you have next to the door here includes your automatic headlights and your heated steering wheel. The CHR is a push to start, so we're going to push the brake in and press that engine start button right behind the steering wheel there. As always, we're going to take a look at the steering wheel features first. Now starting on the left side, you have your audio controls along with your hands-free calling and your voice recognition system. On the right side, you have this cluster right here. This allows you to cycle through your multi-information display. Taking a look back on the steering wheel, on the right side, you'll find your Toyota Safety Sense with lane departure alert and dynamic radar cruise control. You have your cruise control speed settings right behind the steering wheel there. Continuing on to our entertainment display. Right now we are on the home screen. On the left side, it will display any device that's connected as well as any audio that's playing. On the right side, you have your trip information, which you can press on the screen. And here you can also look at your history as well. Now if we go into audio, you have your standard AM and FM options. You also have a choice between USB and Bluetooth. Now if we go into menu, there you have your projection icon for your Apple CarPlay. Moving down to our climate control system, it is a dual zone, so the temperatures can be adjusted on both sides. On the left and right side, you'll find your driver and passenger heated seats. You also have your eco mode on the top right corner. And lastly, if you move down, you'll find some storage space along with cup holders, and this is where you'll also find your USB and auxiliary. Taking a quick look inside the back here, there's a little cup holder inside the door. We are continuing with the black leather. Behind the front passenger and driver seats, you have some extra storage compartments. And the second row seats do fold down. It's as easy as pressing this little button in the corner. The seats will fold, giving you access to your cargo. To access the cargo of this CHR, there's a little button hidden underneath the Toyota emblem here, right next to the backup camera. Giving that a press, that will open up nice and easy, providing plenty of storage space in the back here. Like I mentioned, the rear seats do fold down. That will always give you that extra bit of room. And the CHR also comes with an added bonus of a cargo cover as well. Taking a last look at our CHR, once again, some of those great interior features includes your black leather, driver passenger heated seats, and a heated steering wheel. There's still a lot more I didn't get a chance to show you, so why don't you come down and take it for a test drive. We're located here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St.Albert Trail.